Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the air filter, the engine air filter for a Toyota Camry 2.5, the 4-cylinder hybrid. As you see, you can't see the regular battery here. The regular battery and the hybrid is in the trunk. In the Camry Hybrid, it's in the back. So if you see a battery here, your car does not fit this video, or this video is not for you. This video is for the hybrid engine. Okay, starting from 2018 to 2022. So this is the original part number, 1780-F0020. Of course, I bought it from my local dealer, and it's made in the USA. It's not made in Japan. If you buy it from online, eBay or Amazon, I'm not sure if it's going to be a real or fake or counterfeit. As I say here, Denso, made in USA. This is the part number again. And so it looks legit because, first of all, I got it from a local dealer, and it looks identical to what the car came with. This Camry is 2021. It was assembled in Georgetown, Kentucky. This is the first thing we unlatch. This is the box, okay? We only unlatch this and this one on the side. So now it's loose. So there are two tabs. You need to look here where I'm pointing here. When you need to move it a little bit to the back. You see, this is how, if you want to put them back, you need to secure these ones. You pull it to the back, then up. You don't have to pull it all the way, and you slide your hand down there and you pull the filter. Okay, so let's see and compare. Alright, yep, it's identical. This is the filter that came with the car, that is made in May 2021. Okay, so they look identical. I'm going to show you what the coming out of it. If you want to just clean it, you just can tap it on a clean surface, and all the dust will go back. It's still, but we have 110,000 miles on this filter, so we're done with it. And now we're going to slide it back here. Okay, let's make sure it's fit, no gaps, and then you put it back, and you slide these two tabs, push them back here. All right, still make sure that everything is tight using one hand. So okay, all right, make sure everything is sealed. Okay, and now we come to the end of this video, how to replace an air filter for a 2018 through 2022 2.5 Camry Hybrid. As you see, it's a hybrid, you can see. And if you have the non-hybrid, this filter and this video does not apply to you. Thank you for watching.